Did you know the apps you use every single day, whether to watch movies, design graphics, or run your business, are all part of one massive revolution? A revolution that changed software forever. It's called SaaS subscription, and chances are you're already using it without even realizing it. But what actually is SaaS? Why is everyone from small businesses to billion-dollar companies switching to subscription-based software? Let's break it down. So, what is SaaS? SaaS stands for Software as a Service. It means you don't buy software once. Instead, you subscribe to it just like you subscribe to streaming platforms. The software runs on the cloud, not on your device. That means no installation, no maintenance, and no messy updates. You just log in and start using it. It's that simple. When you pay for a SaaS subscription, you're paying for more than just access to the software. You're getting the full package: automatic updates, bug fixes, security monitoring, customer support, cloud storage, and access across multiple devices. Think of it as renting software rather than owning it. You get all the benefits of the latest technology without any of the headaches of maintaining it yourself. Now, not all subscriptions are the same. Different SaaS businesses offer different models to fit various needs. The most common ones you'll see are freemium, where you get basic features for free and can pay to unlock more advanced ones. Then there's the classic monthly subscription, which is super flexible and great for short-term needs. If you're in it for the long haul, an annual subscription is usually cheaper and often comes with nice discounts. Some companies even offer a usage-based or pay-as-you-go model, which is perfect if you only want to pay for what you actually use. And finally, you have tiered pricing, like starter, professional, and enterprise plans. These models give you the freedom to choose exactly what fits your needs and your budget. So why do businesses love SaaS so much? The benefits are huge. First, there's a much lower upfront cost because there's no need to buy expensive software licenses. It's incredibly scalable, so you can easily add or remove users as your team grows or shrinks. You get access from anywhere, whether you're on your phone, laptop, or tablet. The software is always up to date, and you have predictable monthly expenses, which makes budgeting a breeze. Plus, collaboration becomes so much easier thanks to cloud syncing. SaaS just makes business operations faster, cheaper, and way more efficient. Of course, SaaS isn't perfect. There are some challenges to keep in mind. You might experience subscription overload, where you're juggling too many services at once. There's also the dependency on having a stable internet connection. Sneaky auto-renewal charges can catch you off guard if you're not paying attention. And of course, data security is always a concern. That's why choosing the right SaaS solution and managing your subscriptions smartly is so important. Looking ahead, the SaaS industry is growing faster than ever. We're stepping into an exciting era of AI-powered SaaS tools, more personalized subscription plans, and hybrid pricing models that offer even more flexibility. We'll also see stronger cloud security and faster automation making our lives easier. From small startups to global enterprises, SaaS is truly shaping our digital future. If you want to learn more about SaaS subscriptions, need help choosing the right software, or want expert guidance on managing all your subscriptions, SoftNursery is here to help. Visit SoftNursery today and take the next step towards smarter, cloud-powered solutions. Your digital growth starts here. Thanks for watching.